Starting a remote control session with TeamViewer is simple. To begin, go to TeamViewer.com. Download the TeamViewer full version and install the software. After installation is complete, TeamViewer will automatically open. This is what your partner has to do. Have them go to connect.teamviewer.com. This will download the TeamViewer Quick Support module, which only needs to be run, but not installed, and is the easiest way to start a remote control session with your partner. The Quick Support module will provide your partner with the TeamViewer ID and temporary random password. The TeamViewer ID is a unique ID for that specific device, similar to what a telephone number is. Ask your partner for their TeamViewer ID and password, and enter the TeamViewer ID in the Partner ID section. Then click Connect to Partner. You'll be prompted for your partner's password. After entering it, your secure remote control session will begin. In the session window, you'll see your partner's screen and be able to completely control the mouse and keyboard remotely. TeamViewer also works cross-platform. It's that simple. To learn more about some of the other features found in TeamViewer, please watch our other videos.